Lots of water. Just have fun. Lots of water. Then you can also drip it like this.
有不同的方式，你用这个就是这个就是像雪。
You drip it. Then you can also
完蛋，我直接洗。
blow it. So
直接粘。
直接可以用手画吗？
you can blow it. So I hope I don't get anyone.
有时候可以今天看用这个方式试试看。
If you blow two colors together, it can look very beautiful.
假如你两个颜色有这样子混在一起，有时候是很效果是很漂亮、很特别的。
I show you here.
看到这都有粉红色跟红色在
Over
一起。
here, I blew this together.
对，它这个就是这样在吹的。
So you can blow it and it go together. You can just have fun with your paints, and you can even take it like this and go like this. Do whatever you want to
这
do,
个
and just have fun with your piece of paper. But be careful how you mix the colors. Here are some examples of
就是看这，
colors.
但是最重要的，今天先不要玩手印，先试试看好吗？然后有可能第二次再玩手印。他说这次你要怎么玩都可以，但是你这次要比较注意到的就是你颜色要怎么混。比如说你红色跟黄色就变成橘色，
红蓝绿。
对，所以你之后看着黄色跟蓝色就变绿色。
But all together
但
it's
是你
brown.
最好不要混在里面，就是或者全都是咖啡色、黑色，就是。
Okay, so now we can give you your own paints and paintbrushes, and you must just have fun. The most important thing is don't try to make a picture, just go for it, have fun.
你们不要就是特别觉得你要画什么，然后你就把这个东西画在上面。你们就觉得你要怎么去玩这些，他等一下给你的工具，你就这样子玩，然后觉得开心就好了。你喜欢什么颜色就是用上。
我们没教几学到，
我可以带给你们。
而且我们都是玩
对。
后面有些老师会帮你们。
嗯。
是唱歌。
Yes, I'll put these all over the floor so they can have a look. Maybe take one.
来，每一个人都有做。
我们等下自己把自己的白色衣服全部踩
记得哦，还不要跑走。
哎，等下
会
采购一下，
There's Kelly. Maybe some of them can share. Yeah, sure.
那琪琪我跟你一起。
Maybe she gets in.
Yeah, Daisy, there's a lot more kids than I thought there would be. So maybe we can have this group share.
Okay, 1, 2,
They can share one with their friends.
6.
So please,
Okay.
thank you.
我们
These ones can stay here.
好，我们好像不够多，你们要不要分两个？
好的啦，
好，你们再闻。
那是我的啦。
好，你们
Sorry, Melinda, do you have more pictures? Oh, there. Okay. Here.
Kelly.
Thank you.
我一个忙不完。
哪些？每个都有。
上面不是有要去
你看哪一个？在这里比较好。是你传达我们了。
Okay. Put these all over the floor. 不吃虫啊！
没有吗？
买那么多东西，不是啊？
干嘛？
And you will use some water. You
先把它消毒一下。
不管了，
papers. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys, go ahead.
You're on this way.
这个会湿湿的。
They're setting up the table.
Yes, I can. Well, these guys can start maybe.